Hey YouTube creators, struggling to grow your channel? Tired of low-quality services that drop after a few days? Well, today, I've got something that will change your game. Meet GetMyLikes, the best SMM panel for YouTube in 2025. Let me show you why it's the only platform you need. Why GetMyLikes? First things first, quality matters. Many services claim to boost your YouTube presence, but their results vanish overnight. Not with GetMyLikes. Here's why. 100% high retention views. No fake engagement, just real growth. Non-drop subscribers. Stay ahead without worrying about numbers dropping. Ultra-fast delivery. No more waiting, start seeing results quickly. Customer support that cares. But that's not all. The second most important thing for any creator, reliable customer support. Whether you need help with orders, tracking, or troubleshooting, GetMyLikes offers a dedicated support team that's fast, friendly, and available 24/7. My personal experience, I've been using GetMyLikes for over 2 years now, and guess what? No drops, no issues, just pure results. Whether you need subscribers, watch time, views, or likes, everything is here in one place at unbeatable prices. So why wait? If you're serious about growing your channel the right way, head over to GetMyLikes.com now and take your YouTube journey to the next level. Don't miss out. The best YouTube growth service is just one click away. Like this video? Smash that like button, subscribe for more, and drop a comment below if you have any questions.